ಹಲವಾರು ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿವೋ ಮಾನವ ಸಂಘಟನೆಗಳು ತುಂಬಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಗುರುತಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಗುರುತಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು ಸರ್
2009
ಏನು ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಸರ್ 2009 ಇಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 15 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ದಶಕ. ಏನು ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
See, we are very busy in establishing in international in past 15 years. Thereafter, started in the year 2009 states. So there was a delay. In between, there was a COVID. So this delay happened because due to this COVID and we were expanding in United Nations. We are in cooperation in United Nations. So to make it United Nations cooperation and to expand in international way, for example, we have in Nepal, we have in Afghanistan, we have in Pakistan, we have in Russia. So it will take time. 2009, but we started from there. We want to go to international level. Then we will go to the state level.
What are the things we did so far? What are the works we did so far?
In you want to ask about international or national?
In India.
In national, we have started in COVID. We have done it. We are also fighting against cyber crimes right now. Number second, we have also planned about video remarriage, and most important thing is the Calcutta case is there. A rape case is there now. Hospital doctor case. We are fighting that case. So we are taking. We have appointed the advocates. We have appointed the advocate in High Court and Supreme Court, and we are fighting for free of cost. So this is the main things. We only take limited things.
But national level, international level, only state level.
State level, we are starting one by one.
Okay, ಭ್ರಷ್ಟಾಚಾರ ವಿರೋಧಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಭ್ರಷ್ಟಾಚಾರ ವಿರೋಧದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ?
Corruption, we are against the corruption, and any organization or any person who want to be a part of IHRO, and we will go in this account, in this record also. It is an NGO. Funds we will be getting from abroad.
ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ವಾಲ್ಮೀಕಿ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ನಿಗಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಆತ್ಮಹತ್ಯೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಅದು ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್. ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Related to corruption happens or violation of human rights happens, just contact Venugopal, because we are starting today, from today onwards in Karnataka.
So ಭ್ರಷ್ಟಾಚಾರದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಕಚೇರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಭ್ರಷ್ಟಾಚಾರ ಇದೆಯಾ? ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್.
Yeah, we have it.
ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ?